Most people bet based on gut feeling, but that's how sports books win. AddsJam's positive expected value tool helps you flip the advantage. It shows you bets where, based on the math, the odds are actually in your favor. Think of it this way. If you keep betting random games, you're playing on the sportbook's terms. But with positive EV bets, you're stacking plays where the probability of profit is higher than what's listed. Over weeks and months, that small edge adds up to serious results. What makes AddsJam powerful is speed. The tool scans all the major sports books nonstop and highlights the bets with the most value right now. Pair that with its alerts and bet tracker, and you always know where your money is going and how much you're earning. If you're ready to stop guessing and start betting smarter, check out AddsJam's 7-day free trial through the link in my description and see how the positive EV tool can work for you.